What's the meaning of coulis? Coulis. Coulis.
Coulis. Coulis. Coulis is a French culinary term that refers to a thick sauce made from pureed fruits or vegetables, typically used as a garnish or accompaniment to other dishes. The resulting coulis is smooth and velvety in texture, with a vibrant and intense color depending on the fruit or vegetable used. Coulis can be sweet or savory, and is commonly used in desserts like cheesecakes and sorbets, as well as in savory dishes such as fish and meat dishes. Its versatility makes it a widely used sauce in many cuisines around the world, adding depth and complexity to any dish it accompanies.